Emmy, pick a pretty paper for your butterfly. There's painted paper, there's tissue painted paper, there's all kinds of crazy paper. Oh, good choice. Okay, next step, fold it in half with this on the inside. There you go, girl. And here are you might find that interesting to know Janice made this pretty paper for you. And here you go. Is that good? Yeah. Okay, you're going to trace around it now. And I'm going to help you by holding it. You're going to be an old pro at this, aren't you? That's good. Okay, that's what it kind of looks like. Now you're going to cut it out. Next step involves a clothespin. This is my new favorite glue. Oh, I'm talking to myself. It looks like I've lost a cap for this end. That happens. Emmy's a good cutter. Not everybody is as good a cutter as Emmy is. There you go. Oh, that's going to be gorgeous. This may be the best one yet. Okay, I'll be the glue meister. Now you're going to save this. Look! Another creature! He's got horns! You can do whatever you want with him. Okay, these guys are going on like this. Emmy's done this before, so she knows to look for the straight edge, right, Em? I'm going to put the glue on for you. And you put it in place. And you know, Em, let's put it all the way over, because we had a little trouble last time with it coming loose, didn't we? And here you go. There's another one. Overlap it a little bit. That's a good one. And I like these to overlap. Oh, what am I doing? It goes like that. Okay, I'm sorry. You were supposed to do it. There you go. And where are my popsicle sticks hiding? Emmy? Right on top. That's the way it goes, right? Well, hi, Heather.
Hello.
I went by before. I shouted hi at you, but you didn't hear
Her mama made her keep coming.
Is that right?
Yes, she did.
Put it on there. You want to make a butterfly, don't you? Oh, Heather, step aside. He's trying to.
Oh, I'm so sorry.
That's all right. She didn't know. Okay, look at that. Is that awesome?
Is that what we're going to do next time you come?
Yes. Anyway, this is the antennas. Emmy, you could go ahead and draw your body on your butterfly.
I'll hold this up. That way you. Oh, move on over. Come on over. Sorry. Come on over and I'll.
Yeah, we're on camera at the moment, gang. You do stay and watch though.
Don't make me.
You can do more on that when you want. No, one of my art friends did that. Okay, now we're gonna flip him over and put on the antenna. And these fuzzy sticks, they don't like to stick, so we have to give them a little help. Show that off to the camera. Now that's not going to stay there. That's just holding the antenna on while the glue sticks. Isn't that pretty?